Happy Tuesday, everyone. Kirby is cutting out bad parts. Right? Whatever I said.
To the blaster. Lovely.
I got it all scrapped, huh?
I didn't
Sanded?
test truck, just repair and mess up the rod now.
Little spot.
Now, whole window thing.
We're repairing that.
All the paint just blew off it.
Oh. That looks fun.
Yeah.
Can that be shaped, or is it already in the shape where you need it?
It's pretty much about the shape I need it.
Oh, okay.
It's still somewhat flexible.
Nice. What's that? Oh, package tray demos? Go to the blaster. That duct tape won't pull the patina off?
Got you two on. Am I?
Might? Oh.
You get those two on film watching me work? Yeah.
Do what?
We're here for moral support,
Yeah,
Kirby.
that's exactly right.